Hi, Richard Lewald and Maria. We're going to do some energy testing, and in the process we're going to collect some DNA on these Q-tips in order to load them into my wands. So I'm going to pull some Q-tips out here. She's going to put some saliva on them. I can use hair, nails, skin, any of these things, anything that represents her DNA. Okay, put them in these tubes. One that one in this one. Close them up so that captures her saliva containing her DNA. DNA being the person's frequency. Everything is energy, everything is frequency, everything is vibration. So while loading these in here now, as I pointed to her, they stay pointed to her. If I pointed to the cameraman over here, it says no. If I pointed to Dwayne over here, it says no. But this is Maria, it really is her.
It's me.
Walk sideways, take a few side steps. Just keep on walking side. You can see it's going to follow her. Just knows, come on back. As she comes back. So it's attuned to her. Just like every radio station has its own frequency, we have our own frequency. So with this, we're going to do some unique testing. We're going to see her energy field. We're going to test various different spots on her body and differentiate the energies. And we're going to do it first by her just speaking out the words. And then we're going to physically connect with those places as well. Okay, we're now going to measure Maria's life force, her bioenergy field. And as I point these wands with her DNA in it, and I start walking backwards, they stay pointing to her as long as I'm in her energy field. Once I come to the length of her energy field, or the edge of her energy field, watch these now, they're starting to open up. And so right there, this is the length of her energy field, okay? I'm in her energy field, this is the edge of her initial energy field. Okay, by the way, can you take those shoes off? So, the effects of grounding, and she's standing straight on the grass without her shoes on. Watch what happens now. We've expanded her life force. So being connected with the earth, being connected with the grass, being connected with nature, we are part of nature, that will also help us to expand our energy field. So make sure you do also get connected with the earth, with nature. We're all part of it. So now what we're going to accomplish, we're going to identify different areas of her body and what energy there is located with those organs. So let's just go to your digestion. One hand, oh no, we won't do that. She's just going to say the words. That's later right. On we'll verify. All right, just say the word, digestion.
Digestion.
Okay, here we are. Say the word liver.
Liver.
So here we are. Left kidney.
Left kidney.
Okay, it's a little smaller. Say right kidney.
Right kidney.
That's a big one, I can feel that. Okay. So let's just verify that we can identify. I can do this off photographs. I can do this with people, even remote telephone calls with their photograph and without even touching. But let's just verify these measurements. So put your hands across your digestive area. That's typically how I would do it. Lower the, yeah. So here we are. Okay. Pretty close. Put the hand on your liver area. It's a little bit bigger here. Okay, do your left kidney. And now do your right kidney. So this way, we can tell that everything is connected to consciousness, that when we say these things, there is the energy in those words associated with ourselves. And this also helps me in the limbic arc technology, where they pick up through the spark, the personal scan, right? They don't measure the words, but they actually just measure the frequency of the whole body through the person saying words. And then they can find out what the body needs to help them to become stronger. So something as simple, I can say, how powerful are the words? Very powerful. And it tells us a lot about ourselves as well.